The master cooker, Marie.
Mm.
And then they also have here, Chairman,
What do you call that one?
chorizo, cooking oil, vinegar, and
Meat smoke. I smoke meat.
of course they got sinigang here. Huh? Corn.
No, te.
They got corn. And then rice. They only cook small rice because they're only the two. It's only the two of them.
Sana ka basa kung doon.
But they have a lot of squash over there. And then Charmin over here. What's that? They have a lot of juice, coffee, and some cups and plates.
Pangkap.
Vinegar. No. Pang sauka o tuyo. Suka o tuyo.
cupcake.
O sa'yo, para saan siya dahil?
Ha?
Suka o tuyo, sudan eh?
Para sa anong natin, chef plan?
Leche plan.
Mali lang daw.
Leche plan. And then, because it's very they are far from town, so instead of going back and forth there, so they got their key here. They put their key, their lock, and then for their rug for their if they wanted to clean up their table, and of course this one for torotot. What's this for? Ah,
Tapak na sa ilong.
see,
So it was a very
seems good.
taking hotel. Friday, she was going with the function.
They're very, I look at them, they're very happy and contented, and also having a peaceful mind.
Without this, she can do Monday.
So that's why Marie cooked for 30 minutes with her apron.
2 days father was there. And then she came
Tingnan na ang pagluto ha. Sabaw na kagong sa pagluto.
Kinana, walay mohog nga mga buhok.